طيب this is sample 1. It's a review for the final exam. مراجعة عشان الاختبار النهائي. طبعا السامبلز بسيطة جدا وحليتوا أصعب منها أنتم. First question يقول لك طبعا في عندنا فايل. In the second slide insert the following note. أدخل لنا النوت هذه. Okay. In the second slide. Okay. So we will go to the second slide. How we view the note. كيف نعرض النوت من تحت. We go to view. أيوة. Note. And here we can add the note. طيب. Next point or next question. Check the spelling and grammar for all slides of the presentation. How we check spelling? From review. The first option here on the left. Click on spelling. Change all, change all, change all, change all, change all, change all, change all until you finish. Okay, you get this message. Spell check complete. You're good to go. Next question. Move the last point of the text box in the second slide to be the last point, okay, of the text box in 9th slide. So we'll move the last slide, the last point, آخر نقطة أو آخر فقرة in the second slide, السلايد الثاني to be the last point in the 9th slide. So we go to slide 2. This is the last point. Okay, cut, Control X or cut from home. Then we move to slide 9 and paste it here as the last point. Okay, delete the new point here. تجي من تحت. Next question. Delete slide 11. We'll go to slide 11 and delete it. Then duplicate slide 12. We'll go to slide 12 and duplicate the slide. Okay. Change the layout of slide 5 to be two content layout. We go to slide 5 and change the layout from home to be two content. Where is two content? This is two content. Okay. Insert new section before slide 3 and name it history of cars. So we'll add a new section before slide 3. This is slide 3. Before slide 3 here we will add a section. Here is the section in home tab, add section. You will get untitled section. So this is the default name. You will change the name or rename and paste the new name, which is history of cars. You can see it here. Next question, change the character spacing. The character spacing, there is a difference between character spacing and line spacing. Character spacing, space between letters or characters, يعني مسافة بين الحروف. أما line spacing, the space between lines, مسافة بين السطور. We will see it. Change the character spacing of the text box 4th slide to be very loose. So go to slide 4. This is the text box. Here is the character spacing. And you will choose the type very loose. Line spacing here. You can change the line spacing from here, or you can choose the type from here. We have the type single 1.5 lines, double exactly, and multiple. Okay, so our question is about the character spacing. Okay, using format painter, which is similar to this in Word, اللي هي تنسخ الفورمات. Using format painter, apply the same format of the 5th slide or the title in the 5th slide on the title in the 4th slide. So the title in the 5th slide here, okay, you can choose just a letter or word. Then you copy the format and apply it on the title in slide 4. Okay, this is about copying the format by using the format painter. هذا اللي ينسخ الصيغة، يعني شكل الخط، حجمه كذا. لا مش تنسخ الكلام، اللي هي الفورمات بس. هذا كيف كان شكله؟ let's click on Ctrl Z. شوف this is the type of the font, the size, the color. Here we have on 5 we have another type or another effect for the font. You don't copy the words، ما تنسخ الكلمات، انت عم تنسخ الفورمات اللي هي شكل الخط وشكل التكست. Click on format painter, then move to slide 4 and apply the same format on this title. That's it. Next question, apply hollow round bolts on the text box in the 7th slide. In slide 7 we have a bolted list, okay, or we have a text. We will apply hollow round bolts. See, you have this list which is hollow round bolts. Change the text box of the last slide of the presentation to be 2 columns. We will move to the last slide here, okay, then we will change the format of the text box. هذا text box, this is title, okay, here is the column. We will choose 2 columns عشان يصيروا عمودين. Then change the text box of the last slide. We would answer it. Change the background color of the 3rd slide. غير الخلفية حق slide 3 only to be red. So we'll move to slide 3, okay, and from design we format the background, okay. We will choose the fill color to be red. Okay, yeah, sold fill, okay, and then you will choose the color which is red. Change the slide size of all presentation to be A4 paper. Maximize the fit, okay. From design, this is the slide size. You can close the background here if you want, okay. From slide you will choose custom slide, and here you will choose the A4 size, then you click OK. You will get the 2 options. Maximize as in the question asked. Next question, insert footer which is history of cars. This is the footer on all slides except the title slide. From insert tab you'll choose header and footer, click on footer, then you type the text history of cars and apply it all except the title slide. So you need to tick on this option so you don't display it on the first slide، يعني ما تطلعه في السلايد الأول. apply to all. Question 15, insert slide number on all slides except the title slide, the same option. We'll go to header and footer and click on slide number except the title slide and apply it to all. Okay. Save the presentation on your desktop using your name and your ID. Just save the presentation. This is sample 1